Hey, welcome everyone. We had an exciting time at Geo Week 2025 in Denver last week. In case you were unable to attend, we wanted to share some conference highlights with you from our booth. With me today is Jason Disty with Valhalla Instruments, one of our Tersus distribution partners.
Thanks, Jake. That conference was great showing of some of the geospatial technology that's coming out. And we had a lot of complementary technology in our own booth.
Yeah, definitely. I was really impressed with the Oscar Trek demo. The Oscar Trek, for those of you that don't know, is a high accuracy GNSS receiver that incorporates a camera for visual positioning. Jesse Huff with Tersus GNSS actually did a pitch the press presentation with it, and it was a fantastic showcase of what it can do, right?
Oh, Jesse knocked that out of the park. He did a great presentation on the visual documentation that you can done with the Oscar Trek. Being able to take photos and positioning information and bring that all back to the office, and then having the office in the field be able to share that information is just pretty crucial to being able to complete your project and just have that information there. And then they also, I don't know if you saw, Jake, they added the dense point cloud to the NUA app.
Oh, nice. I did see that. We actually had some of that showcased on our video in the booth. Pretty awesome what's coming next with it. However, one of the things that I didn't get to see a lot of was the Oscar Trek because I was pretty busy standing by the Duck, which is their bathymetric survey boat.
Oh, the bathymetric boat? Yeah, that's a great solution that has a single beam echo sounder. You can pair with a Tersus receiver like the Oscar using TAP, the satellite base correction service.
Definitely, and their satellite-based corrections to their TAP service is pretty sweet. But one of the other things that we highlighted there was the Geocaster service that they have, which is their cloud-based Ntrip caster. Basically, you can pop a 4G SIM card into any one of their GNSS receivers to broadcast Ntrip corrections instantly in the field as long as you have cellular data service. So you could contact somebody like Data Activation Center, get a SIM card, pop one of those in here, and you're ready to rock and roll with instant Ntrip corrections.
Drones, rovers, you name it. I mean, it's amazing where the technology's going and where it's come to at this point too. It's just changed a lot over the last few years. And then we also had our business partner Mapware in there with their drones. Those are some pretty tight in drones. The Teton and the Cascade, I mean, those are impressive drones. I don't think there's anything like that on the market right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And Alex Schiffer made a great product highlight video while we were there, explaining some of the benefits to the helicopter that they have. That thing has a 90-minute flight time with up to a 25-pound payload, made for working in beyond visual line of sight in remote locations with heavy payloads. That thing is really serious on endurance and efficiency.
Yeah, not only did we have some great technology, but just to be able to go and walk through and see what everybody else is bringing to the geospatial world. There's a lot of great technology and some cool changes that are coming for people to be able to collect, positional information in different ways.
Yeah, definitely. Contact us today if you're ready to find out more about how to incorporate this technology into your processes and workflows. We're happy to help enable you with the latest generation of geospatial technology.
Skull.